So hello developers, and in this tutorial we will discuss about text in Jetpack Compose. So let's get started. So text composable we use in Jetpack Compose to display label or paragraph. In traditional Android app development, we use text view class, but in Compose we use text class. Okay, and these are the properties. Let's quickly see properties, and then we will start coding. So first, if text size. If we want to increase the size of text, then there is a property called font size. We will use this property called font size. Next, text color. There is a property called color to change the color of text. Bold, we can use this property. Italic, font style. Maximum number of lines. Here we will use max line. Text overflow. Selectable text. Okay, so let's get coding to understand better. In Android Studio, I'll select Hello Compose app, and here in Hello Compose app, now here what I can do first, let me zoom it. Okay, so here in last video we have seen column layout and row layout. Now what I'll do, I'll create one separate composable function. First I'll annotate composable, and here I'll write composable function fun text compose text composable tutorial. Okay, so here I have written text composable tutorial. So here I have declared one function called text composable tutorial, and here I'll use class that is text, and here as we can see there are many property text modifier color. Let's use them one by one. So first I'll use text, and text I would say hello Jetpack Compose. So here first property is text, so hello Jetpack Compose, and then second property I'll use font size. Font size, let me take 30 sp. Okay, so just keep in mind always we give font size in sp, not dp. What I will do, first I'll call this composable function inside this preview. I'll comment out this, and here I can call it. Now great, I need to open my preview. So to check output I need to open preview. So here I'll select split, and now we can see output hello Jetpack Compose. Let me give some padding. So here I'll give modifier dot padding top 54 dp. Now we can see hello Jetpack Compose. Let's use some more properties. So here I'll use color. We can use here. So here I'll use color dot magenta. So here we can see output hello Jetpack Composite magenta color. So colors has changed. Let's use some other properties. So for style, text style, I need to import this, and here we can use weight. Here we can use font weight. Here as we can see many properties: font size, font weight, font style, font family. So all these properties we can use. So let's go one by one. First I'll use font weight. I'll take bold. Now we can see text in bold. Next property I'll use font size 30s. So font size we have already given there, so I don't need to use again. I'll remove that. Now let me align this text in center. So I'll use text alignment center. Here for that I need to use one more property, fill max size. Now we can see text in center. Hello Jetpack Compose in center. So this is how we can use text in Jetpack Compose. There are many properties, you just play around that. That's all for this video.